Our parents, Nils Pauli Nónstein and his wife, Natalia, locally owned as Tala, opened up a small convenience store in 1951. Over time, the shop grew and grew until it offered just about everything. By 1963, our mother worked alone in the shop, and the shop simply became known as Cha Talu, meaning Talu's shop. Then in 1995, the two sisters, Elizabeth and Aluva, took the initiative to expand the store and joined the retail food chain, Merco. Besides food and other household items, Cha Tala also features gifts, toys, and yarn. Our store carries Faroe yarn from both Navia and Snælden. Our yarn supplies from abroad come from Sandnes, among others, and we have a wide variety of knitting books, plus knitting needles and other supplies for the avid knitter.